Hi, it's Boca again. Sunday afternoon, really hot here in Brazil. And I'm here trying to fix the Saturn, trying to calibrate its laser. It's not working as I wish. It reads some discs sometimes. It doesn't. So, yeah, let's see if I can fix this thing. Let's go. So a little bit of history of this system, this console so far. I've got it in 2013. It's my second Saturn. My first one was Model 1, but I sold it when I was a kid. And this one is a Model 2. And I've been playing with this console since for the last 7 years, I guess. And it's working okay. I had to adjust the lens once because it wasn't really all the discs. Mostly I have backup discs, I don't have genuine ones. I guess I have only 2 genuine ones nowadays. But about 2 years ago, the laser started to fail. So I tried to adjust the trim pot. But it worked for a while, but suddenly once I was playing a Symphony of the Night and it just shut down the game. It wouldn't read, it wouldn't spin the disc, anything. So the laser just died there. And I tried to readjust the pod once again, but it wasn't working anymore. So I had to buy a replacement, another laser. I got another laser and installed it here 2 years ago, which is this one. But I didn't use it as much, just a little bit. I just played a few games and just let the console without using for a while. But this year, 2020, I tried to use it again, and for a few games it started to fail again. So it has only 2 years and not much using. I guess I use it for like 10 times at maximum, so didn't use it, barely use it. So I had to research once again how to calibrate the laser. And I remembered 2 methods. The first method where you measure with a multimeter the resistance on the trim pot and you try to make it a little less so the laser can get more voltage and can read the discs. Long term, it will break your system, it will break your laser, but it makes the read the discs again. So I tried the first method, but strangely, it doesn't measure the resistance on this trim pod, in this particular one, which is installed. On both my broken replaced laser, it does measure, and also on another one that I got, I never use it. It's new. It's supposedly to work. They both can. I can measure the resistance there on the tripod with a multimeter, but not in this one. So I had to find another method, which we use this time. I'll show you. So first thing I tried is this method on the current laser, installed laser, but strangely, it will not measure the resistance on the trim pod. I tried a lot, but it won't show the resistance. So I don't know what's happening. So I had to go to the second method, which I saw in another video. I'll put all the videos on the description below and also on a video cards, so you can see the videos, the original ones, where they show the techniques. But on the second, what I'm trying now is the second method. So let me show you the second method. The second method, you have to turn the laser board upside down and search for the pin that says RF. Then you have to measure the voltage, which is coming from this pin, to see when the disc reads and when it stops. That will show you, that's more close to the calibration. You should do the professional one, which uses an oscilloscope. But as I don't have an oscilloscope, you can also try this with a multimeter, which is my case. So first thing is to try to find this RF and solder a wire where you measure the volts when the disc spins, and also when it's stopped. So you can see how much is it increasing and how much is it decreasing when it stops, when it reads the discs. So you can try to regulate the same pod, the same laser pod, and increase a little bit, a tiny bit, the less you can, the less needed amount of voltage, so you can make the laser read the discs again. So I'll just show you the next part, trying to read the discs and measuring the voltages. Okay, so I've set up the system. It's connected on the power already. This is the positive. Don't be fooled by the color. I've chosen the wrong color on this cable. It should be red, but it's the black, but it's positive. So here we have the negative, we'll connect to the ground so we can test it. So when you turn on the system without a disc, so the laser is stopped, and you connect this to the ground, you measure 245 volts. So that will be the voltage of the laser. Remember, this cable is connected on the RF pin on the other side of the board, the laser board. So it's measuring 245. Okay? So when I turn it off and I put a genuine disc and make the Saturn read it, at least it should read it. Yeah, not reading. Let's set up just a second. Okay, we're back. So let's turn on the system again. I've fixed the adhesive on the door sensor. So let's turn on the system again and see how much does. Yeah, let's start without a battery, so it won't spin right away. So let's see if this recognizes a game. No, door open again. Damn it! Okay, so here we have the tripod. I don't know if you can see, there is a mark with a pen that I made so I can see where it is its original state, its original position, so I can come back if I need to. So let's try to increase it a little bit, the voltage, so we can hopefully read those burned CDs back again. Yeah, so let's turn it a little bit with a screw. Yeah, let's see, a little to the left and measure the voltage. Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, I guess that's enough. So let's test it again. Okay, so now it's reading, as you can see, it's reading 3 volts when reading the disc. So let's see if it does start the games. Let's press the button here. Yeah. Let's see the voltage. Yeah, let's see if the game starts and run properly. Okay, let's see. Doesn't seem the case. It's trying to read. Yeah, it has started the game. Yeah, but it doesn't look like it's having a good time there. It looks like it's really struggling to read the disc. Yeah, I guess it needs more optimization. So I'll leave it running for a while and see what happens. If it does need to increase more, I wouldn't like to increase it more because I already increased it like 20. So yeah, let's see. Let's leave it for a while playing. And I'll be back. So after trying a lot, giving a lot of tries here, I finally managed to make it work. So here we have a recorded CD. I've already reassembled the whole case here from the Saturn. So let's try it out. Now it's reading CDRs correctly. Sometimes it fails, but most of the time it works, so it does the trick. So let's look here. We have the action replay. Okay, let's start the game. Oh, there's an error. Just because I told you that it would work. That's amazing. Let's try it again. Okay, now it should work, I guess. Yeah, now it's working. So sometimes it does fail, but I've never seen that error before. But most of the time it does work properly. So let's see if it's the start. Okay, it's coming up. Yeah, works perfectly. So the game is working properly. It's reading properly. Starting up, it's playing properly most of the time. Sometimes it fails, but I think I can make use of this laser for a while. So I think the next step would be to buy a Fenrir and install it and replace the laser and have the easy life of having all the games on the SD card, which is much better than this. But in the meantime, while I don't have a Fenrir, I will use this laser until it dies, so I don't have to replace for the other spare part that I have. So I think it's good enough for now. You can see the Saturn is here, and it's working fine with CRs. So thanks for watching once again. I'll try to make other videos, more interesting videos. Yeah, see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.